Okay, welcome to another episode of SG Crypto. I know this is the second video today. Had an interview earlier with John. It's an awesome video. I highly recommend you check it out. You could listen to it as a podcast if you choose. Not many visuals, it's just us talking, but lots of good info in that. Also, the course is obviously live, so all links in the description. That video will also be in the description. And yeah, so new pools are live. As I said, here you see you get the 90 days. Looks like we missed about 20 hours of time here in these pools. So I'm going to get into them right away. So this one's a 90-day lockup. It's for locking strictly just XFi, as you can see. This one's for staking just XFi, but this is a 180-day. Okay. Then the last one was, yes, the XFi SFIN LP. Okay, and this is a 90-day lockup. For all these pools, you're earning SFIN alone. Okay, so let's actually look at the APY. So we got 188% on this one. Okay. The other ones, we've got 146% and 151%. So our return would actually be higher if we were to enter the XFi SFIN. So, you know, it's debatable on the entry. I personally am going to stick with just going XFi for the 180 days. The reason for that is because when the snapshot takes place, so the snapshot that we've discussed in previous videos for DFLR, your XFi that you have staked on this platform is going to be eligible. So if I was to take 50% of my XFi and convert it into SFIN to then enter this pool, this liquidity pool, I'd be missing out on half of my XFi that would be involved in the snapshot. So I'm sticking straight with XFi and staking it for SFIN. You can do what you please. I have videos in the past if you're curious on how to enter this XFi SFIN pool. It'd be the same process to follow as I've showed in previous videos, but I'm just going to show you how to enter this XFi. So I've already unstaked all of my tokens. No matter the pool you're in, let's say you're in the SFIN pool, you'll just click the exit button down here. And then claim all your tokens, and then you'll be good. Do that with every single pool. And then we're going to allow these. It's one down. Then we're going to allow the other one. Guess I didn't really need to allow both, but just a little button happy, you know. So yeah, we're going to enter this at 180. So basically all I need to do is convert all of my XFi, all of my current cryptos, so my I don't know if I would convert my SFIN. But, all right. Okay, so then you got to go back to your LP. So I was in liquidity pool, so I had LP tokens. I have to convert those back to their original assets. So we're going to approve that. Gotta do it twice. This thing likes to bug a little bit. And there you go. That's one pool we exited, and that was actually the only one. The other one was a single asset pool I was in. So we're gonna go back to the swap section. We're gonna convert our Canary dollar into XFi. Okay. And, you know, it's kind of debatable if, you know, for myself, if I want to switch my SFIN into XFi as well, just because I don't even know how much it would be. It'd be 24 more XFi. But the reason I say that is because, you know, the price of SFIN, what if it goes up? You know, then when I transfer back into SFIN, it's going to be worth less than when I originally started, if you know what I'm saying. But I think I'm just going to go for it because, and this is my own personal decision, just because I want DFLR, because DFLR is going to be converted into YFLR or YFIN. I forget. I believe it's YFLR. When the mainnet launches, it'll be converted into YFLR. And I'm more interested in the governance tokens of the main net rather than of the SGB, this test net. Both are good, but I just personally prefer the mainnet governance tokens, and that's what DFLR is going to be used to convert into, is the YFLR token, which is one of the governance tokens of the mainnet when that launches. So that's going to be my strategy, is going straight for the DFLR. So I'm going to swap my SFIN into this. Close that. All right, so we have all our assets in order. Okay, we're going to come over to Flare Farm. Find that 180-day pool. Here we are. We are going to start staking. Be aware that after deposit, your funds will be locked in XFi staked. Yes. And keep in mind, I have had questions about this. Any XFi you have in here will be eligible in the snapshot. Any assets you have in this one or any other Flare Farm pool, as long as it's XFi, only your XFi will be eligible, okay? And that will also be eligible if it's in Bifrost. So I'm going to stake it. And there you go. We are in, okay? And with these pools, they mentioned in the article I read to you guys yesterday, a little bedtime story, right? That you can stake, you can claim your earnings the same way we could with the other pools. So right now, there's already been transactions that were going on, so I could claim my earnings, but I'm not going to do that because the fee I'm going to incur by doing that is going to be more than the actual the amount I claim. So it's just going to be, I'm losing money at that point. So I'm going to make it a habit to claim every 24 hours and then just convert my SFIN that I earn from this every 24 hours back into XFi. And then I'm going to just keep repeating the process and compounding interest, and just keep redoing it. I'll update you guys in the coming days or probably in a week, maybe in a week, could be earlier, just be on the lookout, turn on the notification button if you're curious. And I'll let you guys know what is the most profitable pool, because as we see right now, well, actually it doesn't matter. I can't withdraw it. So we're actually locked in. So I'm glad I actually thought of that. So that's going to be it. Probably just going to leave it there. If you guys are curious, I guess I could do a quick run through of which is the most profitable. For those of you who haven't staked yet, all these other single asset pools are kind of just not looking so pretty anymore, but they may look a little better, because everybody might start to convert their assets into these 180-day, 90-day lockup periods, and then you'll have these other pools to yourself, so that could be an opportunity as well. But personally, I just went, as you saw, straight into the 180-day lockup, and I'm going to stay there because I can't do anything about it. So damn, a half year, here we go. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Like I said, that video, it'll pop up here, the one with me and John, that'll pop up right here that you can click, and then check out the DeFi course is free. I've had some responses from it. They've really been enjoying it. People that have went through it already have been enjoying it. With that, you also get 4 one-on-ones with me, 30-minute consultations, for me to answer any questions you're having, and it's all for free, no charge. Just want to provide as much value to you guys as possible. So with that, have an awesome day, and if any questions, comments, concerns, reach out to me. Later.